Yeah.
Just like stadium and nothing for we full.
Yeah.
See you can another operation, me gone, we no weak together.
Alright, I say, basically, you know, so I'm sure I can say, yo, me a gallist. You see me, I say, you have your one girl, I'm going to take your one girl, you. But wait. Hold on there. Brother, me I miss everything what going right here, son, dog. Yo, pray this. I did got some woman drop him album, 210 dog. You see me, I say? You see me, I say? And the man come and talk about him with teeth, your girl, dog. You see what I got? I not come talk and fuck with you, I don't know. I jump out of the review something there. I not jump out of them something and come spread fake news. Because some of them money add up. I not call no name with them, but some of them review money on a dog. Hey, the matter about the song right now say, yo. Alkaline say my teeth cartel, girl. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, and I am back with another reaction review this time. Yo, guys, like it's like every weekend a music video drop. So I forgot to jump into the review game to you, man, and start review the song them too. You understand? But anyways, if I Alkaline just drop a song a while ago, like Just Now, featuring Black Shadow. Remember that song that we made together? I don't know what it to my art. Is it me? Right on there? Yeah. Is it me? But I want to name Gladdest Night. Is it me? I say, so it sound like, by the looks of the things, it sound like say, oh, the night I get some poems, the night I fuck a boy girl, the night I go some boom, I'm gonna get some boom, I'm gonna get some bang. But anyways, we're on the road to 10,000 subscribers, so please subscribe to the channel. Smash the like button there, people. You understand? We're trying to reach 10k subs in a day, yeah? I wish we could reach that one day. But anyways, let's get straight to the reaction video. Or the review. See what's saying at that point. You see me? Hold up. Alkaline. Gladdest Night. Yeah.
Our energy is fine. Get loose.
Oh, wait. And before I start talking about all of this fit to my oven, brother, people, I'm not in Jamaica. For those who don't know, you understand me. And the last video I do, I was kind of trying to be a man and tough it out. But you see me attack and smoke a water, I'm more that like it cold enough. It's gonna snow tonight too. But anyways, got you. Me I watch like something me I watch.
Put up fence.
Yeah.
Could I get you some more? I'm gonna cook them with teeth.
Yeah.
Love me anyway, me turn up on a chill, me will leap a girl.
Wall, I'm say could have guard it little more. No captions are there, English out there, me so I go. Man say could have guard it little more. My teeth your girl. Go back a little bit, go there.
You some more, I'm gonna cook them with teeth, yeah, girl. Love me anyway, me turn up on a chill, me will leap a girl.
Yeah.
I bad bitch and nothing for me pull.
Yeah.
Just like stadium and nothing for me full. Me receive up and
hold on, Alkaline full stadium. Take off a captions because they don't know so the patois with the Jamaican Creole. With the Jamaican Creole, as me I say. And the English it not go work. So we got you now, ready, got you.
a bad bitch and nothing for me pull.
Yeah.
Just like stadium and nothing for me full. Me receive up and
oh yeah, in full. Remember New Rose, he did full it, he did pack. Yeah, I forget credit, he did pack. Him right, he did and nothing for him full, he did pack. Got you.
Me gone, we no weak together.
Yeah.
When me there, she wanna come around. Say she have to hold me. Hey. I've seen where she show me.
Yeah.
Pretty make she turn around.
Yeah.
Like a trophy.
Yeah.
See chopping that no goalie.
Yeah. Hold on. Go back look with them. Why you want to go on now? I know I miss nothing. No more everything, you know. So stitch up the net. Alright, got you.
When me there, she wanna come around.
Yeah.
Say she have to hold me.
Yeah.
I've seen where she show me.
Yeah.
Pretty make she turn around.
Yeah.
Grip it like a trophy.
Yeah.
See chopping that no goalie.
Yeah.
Every day a different mission. At your audition.
Yeah. I saw more I live to another dog. Yes, it was a show off for me, so dog. Yeah, man, every day a different mission. I've got an audition. Imagine me have girl line up an audition to come link with Joe. That's something I look like my fat no blood clot. Imagine I've got an audition to come beat off the bad boy. Just imagine that, dog. Do you know what got you?
So we do it. Travel far, she will go extra mile.
Yeah.
One cut in a me Jeep.
Yeah.
Happy to see me, she turn a Gladdest Night. Style her man and this one.
What name? Hold on. I don't understand all the Gladdest night dropping. Got you. Go back too far.
One cut in a me Jeep.
Yeah.
Be a head bang on the road.
Yeah.
Happy if you see me, she turn a Gladdest night. Style her man and a this
So
one.
our girl to the Gladdest night, dog. Happy if you see you, she turn a Gladdest night. Anyways, got you.
Come here, girl, me make you get the time of your life.
Yeah.
Ima, check her, Anna, watch her, security. She a propose to me, up her, down on her knee. Yeah, look more man a crook on me with deep, yeah, girl. Love me anyway, me turn up on a trail, me wall.
Well, I'm more get when I'm saying like a girl, the come on and cook and with beef a girl. Why I'm say about the cook? More hear it good enough.
Love me anyway, me turn up on a trail, me wall heap a girl. Child turn a bad bitch and a nothing to we pull.
Yeah.
Just like stadium and nothing to we pull.
Yeah.
See up on another operation, me gone, we no weak to girl.
Alright, I say basically you know see what I'm sure I can just say yo me a girlist. You see me I say you have your one girl, I'm gonna take your one girl you. But wait. Hold on there. Brother, me I miss everything want go on right here, son a dog. Yo, pray this. I did go some woman drop him album, 210 dog. You see me I say? You see me I say? And I'm gonna come and talk about him with teeth, your girl dog. You see what I got? I'm not come talk on fuck with you, I'm not know. I jump out of the review something there, I'm not jump out of them something and come spread fake news. Because some of them money I know. I'm not call no name with them, but some of them review money on a dog. Hey, the matter about the song here right now say yo. Alkaline say my teeth cartel girl. Let me just listen to the song. I got you.
Girl, it's regardless, you know the badness. Nothing can touch that one you can't miss.
Yeah.
Take away your chick, send it to back. Tell
Yeah.
word up on the way you get to action, I will not kiss.
Yeah.
My girl, I'm off for prim and proper. Uptown, downtown, slim or fat. I don't
Yeah.
know. Tell me if me right or me wrong.
Yeah.
Fuck out, me get another one. Be a head bang on the rollins.
Nah, lie still enough. Nah, lie. I remember my time come feel like that. I drunk thing. See me I get kind of hot. You see, it look like the sun and shine, people. No sun and shine. Look like sun and shine, though. Trust me. No sun and shine. Place I go. That starts now tonight. But I'm going to make a vlog and show on still. But got you. One of your black shall jump in it, dog.
She turn a Gladdest night. Style her man and a this one. Boy too jealous every minute him a fight.
Yeah.
Him a check her, Anna, watch her, security.
Yeah.
She a propose to me, up her, down on her knee.
Bro God. Oh, sorry, no, bro God. Oh, are you black shadow now, dog? People like the video, if you don't like the video yet, subscribe to the channel. Remember, we try 10,000 subscribers. You understand me? And don't afraid for the day ones, them. The bangers, them, are come see them. You don't know. We up on 9 to 5. I work every day for the next 2 weeks. So you don't know, so we find time to make videos same way. I can upload every single day. But trust me, when I'm going tonight, I shut up 2 videos. 2 videos I shut up tonight. Bam, bam. Maybe 3. Bam. You see me? Yeah, but got you.
Love me anyway, me turn up on a trail, me will leave a girl. Hey, I got bitch and nothing for me pull. Just like stadium and
Is Black Shadow a producer or something? Me not know that, dog. Trust me, me not know. Song bad, stay. Want to think about the song? Drop it in the description. Drop it in the comment section. And remember to like and subscribe to the channel. Song bad. But more want to know what going to Black Shadow. I'm not hearing from Black Shadow a while ago. But anyways, it's been a boy Tyrekejt, guys. Thanks for checking out my video. Remember, subscribe to the channel if you all are new. Peace out.